Before the vote to condemn the State of Israel, there is one more delegate who is requested to speak.
Thank you, President. As you know, Israel has failed to act in accordance with our recent resolutions and continues to fail to act in accordance with the political and ethical standards of the rest of the world. I bring to the attention of the Assembly, this has been going on for a very long time. In fact, it is the ancient name of their people, Ha'ivrim, the people from the other side. From the very beginning, they have been different. Their forefathers, Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, walked a different path than the rest of the world, unwilling to take part in the ancient culture of idolatry and child sacrifice. They taught instead of one God who loves life and wants us to make the world a better place. And after generations of their fostering this light in the darkness of the ancient world, as their tradition states, God revealed himself to them and gave them a code of divine principles that would solidify this nation's path and become the basis of all the major Western religions and modern ethical thinking. As John Adams, the second president of the United States, describes, the Hebrews have given religion to 3/4 of the globe and have influenced the affairs of mankind more than any other nation. As time goes on, the influence of these Ivrim, this different people, remains the foundation upon which the Western world stands. Is it not the name of the Hebrew God that is both written on the US dollar and was sent in the first message across the telegraph line? As author Paul Davies writes, to the Jews we owe the idea of equality before the law, of the sanctity of life and the dignity of the human person, of social responsibility, of peace as an abstract ideal, and love as the foundation of justice, and many other items, which constitute the basic moral furniture of the human mind. With this legacy of contribution to the human spirit, it's not surprising that 1 of every 5 Nobel laureates are of Jewish descent. And it is through this legacy that the Jews have survived the thousands of years they have been living in diaspora from their land, engaged generation after generation with the unrelenting dedication to the arduous study and meticulous performance of the code of laws and principles passed down from their forefathers. What we call in English simply the Bible. And after 20 centuries, having survived the attempts in every generation to destroy them, to rid the world of this people of the book, this moral compass of mankind, in an act that defies every historical precedent, they have reestablished their nation, fulfilling the biblical prophecy of their return. And this reborn Jewish state continues down its visionary path with their youth, forming the largest community of learners of their divine tradition than ever before in their history, serving the most ethical army in the world, and innovating in their high-tech sector that is being called the next Silicon Valley, developing world-changing technological advancements in science, computing, medicine, agriculture, and transportation, being a light to all of us. Thank you. Discover the Jewish tradition